welcome back. I'm Mike with 184 Aerospace. Today we're going to be discussing rocket motor igniters and what I've developed to successfully ignite my rocket motors. Put the warning out there, all this stuff's dangerous. Rocketry is inherently dangerous. Making your own igniters and own motors is dangerous. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. So, I started this journey with these Firewire initiators. They work really great for smaller black powder motors and the recovery charges for parachutes. A couple of these with black powder for your parachutes, and they work great. On their own, they don't really ignite bigger motors. Here's a clip of a bare Firewire igniter. Alright, so I started doing some investigating, and what I settled on for an enhancement for the ignition are these Morning Glory sparklers. You find these at any store really that might sell some fireworks. Don't really know what's in them. They seem to do pretty decent. I'm not going to tell you how, but you take these and you turn them into a powder. That being said, we need a way to stick that powder to the igniter. So my first try was nitrocellulose. I made this by dissolving ping pong balls in acetone, and I've had mixed results with it. I have lit a motor with it. It's not reliable, especially after it sits for a while. It tends to lose its potential. So here's a video of that. Alright. So as I progressed further, I still was looking for a very reliable motor igniter. I got kind of sick of borrowing everyone's at the launch, and I didn't want to pay for hazmat fees to ship a lot of stuff to my house. So I started doing some research and came across a mix that seems to work very well. What we do is we use rubber cement, contact cement, as a binder. We use our sparkler dust as a fuel, and we use some potassium nitrate, same thing we use in our sugar motors, as an oxidizer. And it turns into this paste that you then dip your igniters in. This has shown a lot of promise and potential, and ignites and burns very hot for a good amount of time, 2 to 3 seconds. And you can see that in this video here. I'm not going to give anyone the formulas. I'm still working on them. I don't know what the legalities of sharing things like that are, so I encourage you guys to figure it out. If you are interested in making this, send me a message and I might be able to help you along a little bit. If you've got suggestions, leave them in the comments. Also, like, subscribe, and comment. Once I get to 75 subscribers, I'm going to give away this baby Bertha. All you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll send you this little model rocket for free. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Aim high.